This is a square sheet. We draw an axis passing through the center of mass of the square which lie in the plane of square.
Let's say this is I1. We will also denote moment of inertia with respect to any axis by the name of the axis.
This is another axis perpendicular to I1. Let's say this I2.
Does the moment of inertia with respect to these axes change if we rotate the axis?
This was I1. And thus I2.
Okay, now, here the axis is not vertical although it is passing through the center of mass. So, what will be the moment of inertia of the square sheet with respect to axis I2? Or with respect to axis I1?
Is it the same, or different?
If we rotate our left figure by a right angle, it will look like the right one, or they are congruent to each other. So the moment of inertia of the square sheet with respect to both axes are same. Here we are using the perpendicular axis theorem. Here the axis I' is the axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of square sheet.
Also we know that moment of inertia with respect to axis I' is mx square over 6, where x is the side length of square sheet.
So after rearranging the statements we get.
So, we get an important result. Moment of inertia with respect to any axis passing through the center of mass and lying in the plane of square sheet is mx square by 12.
Let's go back to main question. This black dot denotes the geometrical center or center of mass. This line segment will have the same length. And this one will be half of the side. By Pythagoras theorem, we get the length of hypotenuse. Okay, now, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED. Because our common angle is angle A and right angles are angle C and angle E. So their sides will be in same proportion. We draw an orange color axis parallel to required one and pass the axis through center of mass. And this axis will have moment of inertia equal to mx square over 12, which is already discussed. Okay, now by applying our parallel axis theorem, we will get the required result.
Thanks for watching. Please give a like to the video and subscribe the channel if you understand the solution.